Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to mute or unmute the microphone on your earbuds AirPods Pro 3. So by default you need to use single press at your left or right earbud. The touch area is located on the sides. And right here we have them. So during the call you need to only single press. But maybe you change it, so you need to check, go to the settings, then your headphones should be connected with your phone, and in the settings at the top you will find headphones line. Tap at that line, or you can also find this menu if you go to the Bluetooth and click the information icon near to your earbuds. Now scroll down, and right here we have call control. So we have mute or unmute, and as you can see it's set to single press. But if you change, if you add to finish the call for the single press, you change it, you automatically also change to mute and mute, and now it double press. So you need to check if you have single press or double press. Now let me call to someone. And I put these earbuds to my ears. Firstly, I will single press at my left earbud. And I just mute it. And let's press one time again to unmute it. And as I said, you can use the left and right earbud. So I just single press, and as you can see, I unmute the microphone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.